For years I've searched cities, countries, and thousands of bakeries, all in pursuit of the perfect egg tart. But I knew it wasn't here, not on Earth, not yet. So I went looking, beyond ovens, beyond reason, on a mission to find it.
T-minus 10 seconds and counting. Don Wong, please stand by. All systems green. Ignition sequence start. 5, 4, 3, 2. We have liftoff. The capsule is away. Repeat, the capsule is away. All systems green.
But star after star, planet after planet, all cold, all wrong. But just as I was about to give up, I saw it. A golden light cut through the void, and there it was, the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. A planet, shaped like an egg tart. I tried a sample, and it was better than anything I could dream of. Silky smooth filling, a beautiful tart top, and not too sweet. I brought it back and made it mine. This is my version of the Macau-style Portuguese egg tart, ready to eat in just under 30 minutes. Let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line a baking tray with aluminum foil. These are the store-bought shells I'll be using today. Just take them out as you preheat the oven. 15 minutes and it's ready to go. Now in a small pot, heat up the milk. Heat it up to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Then set it to the side and add the sugar. Mix until all the sugar is dissolved. Now add the egg yolks to a bowl. Add the cream, vanilla, and mix together. Gently pour the milk while still mixing so you don't shock the eggs. Now let's pass the liquid through a strainer. To make it easier, pour the liquid into a measuring cup or teapot. Now fill each tart to about 80% full. At this point, the oven is ready, so let's place the egg tarts in. Set the timer to 15 minutes and watch the magic happen. Consider rotating the baking tray at the halfway point, so you get an even char on all the egg tarts. If you aren't eating them right away, then take it out of the tin after it's cooled down a bit. That way the bottom won't be soggy. But most likely, you won't have that problem because the egg tarts will be gone within 15 minutes. If you prefer an even crispier tart and more color, then bake the egg tarts for 20 minutes. Or you can set your oven to broil for the last 2 to 3 minutes. The inside won't be as silky smooth, but it will still be really good. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.